Question number 20 ka na. Oh. Solution. At 1 we have mx minus ny is equal to m square plus n square. Here equation 1 tinggal so and x plus y is equal to 2m. Equation 2 ko tinatawag. Oh, ito yung idea kan matudo na. Ito na hiyan y hi nang se katitani. Y hi nang tur ka du chuan equation 2 hiyan ny umbi ka ta. Chuan multiplying equation 2 by n. We get equation 2 n ka multiply will effect down oh. Chuan hi nx lo ni nga nx plus ny is equal to 2mn. Equation 3 equation 2 bo to a so na ri chuan na kina chen chang kai thei ang equation 3 le equation 1 hi kanen dong ta ni ny ve ve ne ya chuan adding na mai ta ni adding equation 1 and 3 we get y divided mx nx to what mx plus nx here minus ny plus ny to 0 dangat equal to le lama m square plus n square plus equation 3 me 2m. Chuan lúc tức vậy chúng ta hi patron này các a square plus b square plus 2ab a square plus 2ab plus b square ang khalam tani ta hin nge common chuan x common ha x common chuan m plus n choka ta chuan a square plus 2ab plus b square ang patron khalam thei tla thei hi chuan hi alai da khani mai chu enge tlukui kha a plus b holding square chuan hi chu m plus n holding square ne nang tereng ta ni chuan hei le hei kan se langa x chu m plus n tina ni x chu nge tluk kan ti chuan m plus n chuan hi equation 2 han ta nu ta zai tai la 2 ka simple bera putting x is equal to m plus n in equation 2 we get equation 2 to x plus y is equal to 2m manita x plus y aya m plus n kada chuan plus y ni equal to 2m chuan m le lama bai chuan 2m minus m mani do chuan le lama hin y ma chu ka ta chuan y is equal to 2m minus m minus n nga chuan y is equal to 2m m ka bai chuan m mani minus n y chuan m minus n tlok ki chu therefore x is equal to m plus n and y is equal to m minus n mani and 20 chuan chu ni 21 akan lut leng 21 we have 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 LCM lak which implies that's one LCM to 6xy 2 3s are 6xy 3y plus 2x is equal to 2. One which implies 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 2s are 12xy. Equation 1. And panina khaning kan le and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6 13 by 6 so an LCM kan le on which implies LCM to 6xy tho so an 2y plus 3x equal to 13 by 6 chuan ti hian ti theta denominator left hand side right hand side 6 number ve chuan kan se da chuan chu hi karem thata 3x plus 2y is equal to 13xy equation 2 tani chuan equation 1 le 2 ken bang fanga x nge y ti ang ti chuan oi zok pom hangila harsalo pe chuwang chuan x cm angila in thak theng chiang multiplying equation 1 by 3 katinga multiplying equation 2 by 2 multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2 equation 1 to 3 multiplied by 6x plus 9y is equal to 6xy equation 3 chuan hi 2 in 6x plus 4y is equal to 26xy equation 4 chuan ka siam ante hi plus ven lo ni ta ka si chuan subtracting ka man ngai ta ni subtracting equation 4 from 3 we get subtract 1 sign khảo vector mới nó giống hết 6x minus 6x thì năng lượng can say 9y minus 4y2 5y 36 minus 26 to 10xy tali chuan y le y can say la chuan 5 1 is 5 ania 5 2 is 10 le lama hian 1 oma le lama chuan 2x oma 2 pay chuan 1 by 2 tina x is equal to 1 by 2 x to 1 by 2 2 chuan to 2 equation 1 na chaw na putting x equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1 we get 2 into 1 by 2 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3y is equal to 12 into 1 by 2y. Name 2 the 2 can say 2 6. Chuan to the talk to 1 plus 3y 1 plus 3y is equal to 6y. Y về với cái đạo tuần chuan 6y minus 3y is equal to 1. Nunia 6 at 3 by 3. 3y is equal to 1. Which implies y is equal to 1 by 3. And x to 1 by 2 nunia equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. That 21.